Now that you've had a chance to update your profile and engage with the Indiana CPA Society's new community platform, we're back for a few additional helpful tips, including setting your notification frequency, direct messaging, and searching discussions by tag or topic. You have the ability to change the frequency of your notification emails. Currently, it defaults to real-time notifications, but you have the option of changing to a daily or weekly digest. Click your headshot image at the top right of the page and select Account Settings from the dropdown. You will land on a notifications page. You can select your notification frequency for each group you are a member of. Real-time notifications are the default, but you'll see I updated my profile already to daily notifications, which summarizes my group activity from the day into one email. You can also choose weekly notifications if you prefer to receive a summary of activity once a week. And if you've already downloaded the mobile app, you can determine your notification preferences through your phone settings. Another great feature you also have access to is the INCPAS member directory. Click on the INCPAS logo at the top left-hand corner to get back to the home page, and then select Members in the global left-hand navigation. You can search by first or last name in the search bar at the top of the page. Let's look for Stacy Wilson, INCPAS's Chief Operating Officer. Once her listing appears, you can click on it to see full contact details. Let's send Stacy a direct message. Click the conversation bubble button and a chat window will pop up. Type your message. Click the send arrow, and you have just initiated a private chat. All of your chat history with other members will be housed here as well. Direct messages can be sent to one person or multiple people as a group message. To send a group message, click the pencil icon and then type the names of the people you wish to message together. You can also quickly access all of your direct messages in the top right global navigation by clicking the conversation bubble. And lastly, let's talk about how to search content using tags. We'll go back to the home page by clicking on the INCPAS logo at the top left of the screen, and then click on tags in the left-hand global navigation. You'll see a list of tags in alphabetical order of all of the topics you can search. You have the option to follow the specific tags you're interested in so that related content pops up in your homepage feed. You can also click on a tag and see all of the discussion posts that have been created that relate to that topic. That covers our additional helpful tips. We hope to see you engage on the new online community soon.